Welcome to Office 24/7. In today's video, we're going to explore three very important features that help you create high-quality audio files directly inside the application: file upload, mobile recording, and text-to-speech. These three features make it incredibly simple to generate the voice prompts you need for your IVR, your voice broadcasting campaigns, or any automated calling flow inside Office 24/7. File upload helps you import any pre-recorded audio file, whether it's a studio voice, a custom jingle, or a message recorded on another device, so you can use it seamlessly in your call flows. Mobile recording is a convenient method that lets you record your own voice directly through a phone call. The system calls your mobile number from your assigned virtual number and records your voice to add it as an audio file. Text-to-speech, or TTS, helps you instantly convert the text you type into professionally generated audio without needing a voice artist or external tools. In this video, we're going to learn how to use all three options: file upload, mobile recording, and TTS, for creating IVR audio prompts, as well as voice broadcasting messages you want to send from the application. As you know, an IVR plays a key role for any business. It greets callers the moment a call arrives, helps them choose their preferred language, lets them select the department they want to connect to, and guides them through product or service options. Whether it is a simple single-level IVR or a multi-level IVR with multiple branches, your audio files are what help callers navigate smoothly and reach the right agents. File upload, mobile recording, and TTS are the three primary ways to create these audio files inside Office 24/7. These features are available inside the add-ons section. Under add-ons, you'll find four options where these audio file tools are used: voice, cloud telephony, click-to-call, and IVR. In all four of these, you'll find both file upload, mobile recording, and TTS options to create your audio files. You can add your files to any of these add-ons based on your requirement. The voice add-on is used for voice broadcasting and bulk voice messages. Cloud telephony is used for managing virtual numbers and inbound and outbound call flows. Click-to-call is for placing outbound calls directly from the application using a virtual number. And the IVR add-on is specifically for building and managing your IVR menus for call routing. No matter which add-on you create the audio in, the audio files automatically become available across all four. This allows you to use the same file for inbound IVR prompts, announcements to customers, cue music, or music on hold. Let's open Cloud Telephony. Once I click on it, an overlay screen opens, and the last tab here is called Audio Files. When I click on Audio Files, you can see all the audio files that are already created. To create a new one, I'll click on the Add button. As soon as I do that, three options appear: file upload, mobile recording, and TTS. The file upload option lets you upload your own audio file into the application and start using it in your call flows. You can also see that the supported file type is WAV, and the maximum file size allowed is 8 megabytes. To upload a file, I'll click on Browse File and select an audio file from my system. Here I'm selecting this file. I'll now give it a name. I'm naming it Greeting. Once I click on Add to List, the audio file gets added and the list refreshes automatically, showing the new IVR file that was uploaded. After it's added, you can listen to it immediately by clicking Play.
Welcome to Office 24/7, your all-in-one business suite. Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, or press 3 for other inquiries.
You can adjust the playback speed if you want to review the tone or clarity. You can also download the audio file whenever needed. From the Actions button, you can delete the audio file if you no longer require it. Now let's move to the next option: mobile recording. If you want to use your own voice for announcements or IVR call flows, this option is extremely useful. With this feature, the system places a call to your mobile number from the virtual number assigned to your account. You simply answer the call and record your message. Once the call ends, the recorded audio file automatically appears in the list. For example, I'll create a recording now. I'll name this file Welcome Audio. Here, I'll enter the mobile number where the call should be placed, and here I'll select the virtual number from which the system should call me. Then I'll click Add to List. Now a call is being placed to my phone. I'll answer it and record the message. Hello, thank you for calling. Your call is important to us. We appreciate your time. Please stay on the line while we connect you with one of our representatives. After I hang up, you can see that the audio file appears in the list. Let's play it and listen to the recording. Hello, thank you for calling. Your call is important to us. We appreciate your time. Please stay on the line while we connect you with one of our representatives. Now, let's look at the last option, TTS. TTS is one of the easiest and most accurate ways to convert your typed text into an audio file. I'll enter a file name here. Let's say greeting message. Then I'll type the text I want to convert into speech. Once I click Generate, the system automatically creates an audio file based on the text provided. You'll get a success message, and the audio file appears below. Let's play the generated audio.
Welcome to Sunshine Hospitals. Press 1 for emergencies. Press 2 for appointments. Press 3 for billing. Press 4 for test results.
If everything sounds good, I'll click Add to List, and the audio file is added instantly. In the same way, you can create any number of audio files by converting text to speech directly inside the application. These are the different ways you can create and upload audio files in Office 24/7, either by uploading an existing file, recording your voice over a call, or generating audio using text to speech. Thank you for watching.